morning, my dear children. Welcome to the online science class. So, my dear children, how are you all? I hope you are fine and you are safe. Okay. So, I hope you have started preparing for your exam. So, all the best. Prepare well for your exam. As they inform you that the questions will be only in one word question, one word. So, you should prepare for that, right? So, don't put much pressure on learning the book back question. You should learn the book inside questions also. Okay, you should read the textbook line by line, so that only you can attend the questions. Okay, then one more thing, and it is very important, read the spelling along with the word. Okay, so in the previous exam also I have informed you that learn the spelling. So many of you are making mistake in the spelling, so please concentrate on learning spelling with the word. Okay, learn the spelling along with the pronunciation, which is easy for you to learn. Okay, so read the spelling and read pronounce the word. Okay, pronounce the word, read, learn the spelling along with the word. Okay, which will make you to learn easily. Okay, and read line by line. If you have any doubt, you can call me or you can text me. Okay, no problem, I will help you. You can call me or you can text me. Okay, attend the Zoom interaction classroom. Then this is our last class, so I am going to revise all the chapters one words. Okay, so take your textbook and take a pencil along with you. We will revise it. Okay, so we will start with first chapter, one word. Okay, so first choose the correct answer. Our body is made up of structures called cells, right? Cells. Then tissue combined together to form large units called organs. Okay, organs. Then many dash work together in the human body. Organ system. Okay, organ system. Then framework of bones in our body is called the dash system. Skeletal system. Okay, skeletal system. The circulatory system form the transport system of our body. Okay, our body. Then dash system helps in the stretching and bending of hands and legs. Muscular system, right? Muscular system. Then there are three types of blood vessel: arteries, capillaries and veins. Okay, arteries, capillaries and veins. Then the organ system that help us breathe is called respiratory system. Respiratory system. Then the digestive system eliminate the undigested food through the anus. A-N-U-S. Okay. Then the nervous system consists of the brain, the spinal cord and the large network of nerves in our body. Large network of nerves in our body. Then match the following: framework of bones, skeletal system, soft part under the skin, muscle, pump blood to all parts of the body, heart, chewing, digestive system, help us to breathe, it is a respiratory system. Okay, then turn to second chapter. Okay, second chapter, choose the correct answer. Milk is a dash food, which is a complete food. Okay, milk is a complete food. We get dash from plants, fruits. Okay, we get fruits from plants. Dash break down the food we eat into energy, proteins. Okay, proteins. Then dash helps in clotting of blood during injuries, vitamin K. Okay, vitamin K. Plant that gives us food are cultivated in farms. Okay, in farm. Then filling the blanks. Coffee powder is obtained from the roasted coffee beans. Okay, food rich in carbohydrate and fat is called energy giving food. Okay, energy giving food. Dash help fight disease such as common cold, vitamin C. Okay, vitamin C. Our body requires energy, vitamins and minerals. Minerals. Okay, 3/4 of our body contain water. Okay, water. Then grain or fish liver oil, which is an energy giving food. Okay, grains are energy giving food. Egg and meat, it helps in the body building food. And fruits and vegetable, protective food. Fruits and vegetable, protective. Milk, is a complete food. Milk is a complete food. And water helps in digestion. Okay, water helps in the digestion. Then the third chapter. Okay, choose the correct answer. Dash is a very important to keep away from germs. Okay, dash is very important which helps to keep away from germ. Cleanliness. Okay, cleanliness. Then exercise helps our muscle to remain strong. Okay, which helps to remain strong. Then posture is the position in which you hold your dash when standing or sitting. Body. Okay, body. Every household generate dash waste. Okay, waste. Dash helps in biting and chewing the food we eat. Teeth. Okay, teeth. Then filling the blanks. Dash is a condition of a person's body or mind. Health. Okay, health. Then make dash part of your everyday life. Exercise. Okay, exercise. A tooth is basically made up of two parts, dash and the dash, crown and the root. Okay, crown and the root. Okay, dash are much bigger than premolars. Molars. Okay, molars. The surrounding of a place is an environment that includes air, water and soil. Air, water and soil. Then germs, which is an organism. Feet, food scrubber. Surrounding environment. Canine, tearing food. Enamel, white in color. Okay, then turn to fourth chapter. Okay, turn to fourth chapter. Fourth chapter. The matter in all things is of dash substance or material. Different. Okay, different. Substances that have a definite shape and size are called solids. Solids. Okay, dash in a liquid move around and do not have fixed positions. Molecules. Okay, molecule. When water is kept in the freezer, it changes into ice, the solid form of water. This process is called freezing. Okay, freezing. The amount of space that matter takes up is called volume. Okay, volume. Then filling the blanks. When you blow a balloon, the balloon expands as dash fills the space inside the balloon. Air. Okay, air. Then a candle is made of a substance called wax. Okay, wax. When ice is removed from the freezer and kept outside, it turns into water again. This process is called melting. Okay, melting. Substances that do not dissolve in water are called dash substances. Insoluble substances. Okay, insoluble substances. Dash water is dash is an universal solvent. Water. Okay, water is a universal solvent. Then water is a solvent. Lemon, which is sour taste. Gold, bright in color. So cotton, which is very soft. Then honey, which is very sweet. Okay. Then fifth chapter. Okay, choose the correct answer. Dash is the daily atmospheric condition of a place. Weather. Okay, weather. Without the dash, there would be no weather. Sun. Okay, sun. The sun heats the dash on earth and makes it evaporate. The water condenses and forms dash. The sun heats the water on earth and makes it evaporate. The water vapor condenses and forms the clouds. Okay. Moving air is called wind. During spring, weather is warm. Okay. When the sun heats the earth on earth, it causes evaporation. Okay, evaporation. 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 Okay, don't forget. Then when rain pour lightly, we call it a drizzle. Okay, drizzle. D-R-I-Z-Z-L-E. Drizzle. Okay, drizzle. Water cycle is controlled by the sun. Okay, water cycle is controlled by sun. Then weather forecasters rely on computer data, satellite images and their observations. Okay, summer has longer days and shorter nights as the sun rises early and sets late. Okay, then match the following. Summer. In summer, we will go for vacation and outdoor activities. Then winter, some animals will migrate and move to other places. Then spring, flowers such as tulips and daffodil starts to bloom. Okay, then autumn, fall. Okay, then turn to the 6th chapter. Okay, then choose the correct answer. Earth is called a dash planet since 3/4 of it is covered with water. Blue planet. Okay, blue planet. The sun is made up of very hot water. Okay, dash is almost similar to the earth in size. Venus. Okay, Venus. Artificial dash is an electronic device sent into space by rocket. Satellites. Okay, satellite. A collection of stars that appear to be arranged in a specific pattern is called constellation. Okay, constellation. 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 Okay, the solar system comprises of the sun and 8 planets. And when you are writing the name of the planet, the first letter should be capital. Okay, the first letter should be in capital. Then Jupiter is the largest planet of the solar system. Moon surface has deep pits called craters. Okay, craters. Dash are mostly made of ice, dust and small rocky particle. Comets. Okay, comets. Meteors are also called dash star. Shooting stars. Okay, shooting star. Mercury closest to the sun. Venus, second planet. Earth, third planet. Mars, fourth planet. Jupiter, fifth planet. Saturn, sixth planet. Uranus, seventh planet. Neptune, eighth planet. Okay, say the name of the planets in correct order. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Okay, so totally 8 planets are there. Okay, then moving to the last chapter. Sewage water that drain into a river causes water pollution. Then toxic smoke from factories and motor vehicle causes air pollution. Dash is a waterborne disease, typhoid. Dash pollution may cause serious damage to our hearing, noise. Okay, dash is an example for biodegradable waste, vegetable peel. Okay, then filling the blanks. The process of making air, water and soil dirty is called pollution. Okay, cigarette smoke can cause cancer. Plastic is made of toxic chemicals. Bursting firecrackers cause dash pollution, noise pollution. Then metal is an example for non-biodegradable waste. Okay, non-biodegradable waste. Okay, then match the following. Sewage water causes water pollution. Plastic waste, which is causes land pollution. Cigarette smoke, which causes air pollution. The loudspeaker, which causes noise pollution. And paper is finally biodegradable. Okay, so learn the lessons well, my dear children. If you have any doubt, you can call me or you can text me. Okay, so all the best for your exam. Prepare well for your exam. Do your best. Okay, so we will prepare well. Have your exam. Okay, so bye bye. Thank you and all the best for your exam. Okay.